How to save Instagram Reels to your gallery. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily save your Instagram Reels to your gallery or your camera roll. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's begin. First thing first, you need to open up your Instagram. And from here, you need to adjust a small settings. For that, you just go to your story section by swiping right on the screen. Now, you will see this settings option on the top right corner of your screen. Once you open up your camera settings, just head over to the reel section. And here you will see an option called Save Reel to Device. If you toggle this on, it will automatically save your reel to your phone. They'll be saved when you publish them. If you use your reel audio that isn't available for your download, all audio will be removed from your reel as well. This is the first method. But if you want to save any reel that you have previously published, then just go back to your profile, tap on your profile icon, and from here, you just want to tap on the reel that you want to save. Tap on the three dots right here, and here you will get an option. So tap on the three dots right here and tap on manage. Once you do that, you'll get an option to download. So just tap on download and it will save it to your camera roll. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.